Good morning everyone. Today we are going to explain about the voice recognition system. We are going to explain about the different phases which is involved in the design thinking. So Vijay Karthik is going to explain about the empathy phase. Kishore is going to explain about the ideate phase. Prakash is going to explain about the define phase. Paneer is going to explain about the prototype, and Rohit is going to explain about the testing phase.
Myself Vijay Karthik. I am going to explain about the empathy part of voice recognition system. Empathy in a voice assistant means making the interaction feels human, supportive and understanding rather than just mechanical. It not about showing real emotions, but about the responding in a way that recognize the user feelings. For example, if a user sounds stressed and says, I having a hard day, an empathetic assistant might reply with, I am sorry to hear that. Would you like me to play something relaxing for you? This kind of response creates a trust, improves user content, and builds a strong engagement. Empathy also helps in the sensitive situations, like providing a health reminder or answering emotional queries, where a kind and considerate tone making a big difference. Ultimately, empathy is what transforms a voice assistant from being just a tool, being supportive companies.
Hi, I am Prakash. I am going to explain about the define base of the voice recognition system. In a voice recognition system project, the define base is where the problem and objectives are clearly estimated to set a strong foundation for the development. In this phase, the storage of purpose and creating the assistance is indicated in that, such as improving customer service, enhancing the accessibility, or providing the hands-free convenience. The scope of this project is to outline and including the assistance while to not to do, what to do and not to do, including that. Along with the key features of the voice recognition system, the speech recognition, natural language processing, and the app integration. User and stakeholders' needs are gathered to ensure the assistance in the design and with first guidance to the response. And user satisfies the defined to the measured performance. This phase also address the potential risk and limitations, including the budget, technology, and compliance requirement. Overall, the defined phase ensures the clarity of what they are being solved or whom they are being solved, and how successful will the measured project being displayed. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So now I am going to tell about the ideate of AI voice recognition. The AI voice recognition project aims to develop an intelligent system that enables natural and hands-free interaction between humans and machines. The idea is to design a platform that can accurately recognize speech, convert it into text or commands, and execute tasks in real time. The system will address the problem of slow and inconvenient manual inputs while improving accessibility for differently abled users. By integrating natural language processing, deep learning, and noise reduction techniques, the project will ensure securely recognition across different accents, lenses, and environments. The scope of this technology extends to applications such as virtual assistants, smart devices, and healthcare, and voice-based authentication.
I am Panisalam and talk about prototype in the voice assistant. A basic working model of the prototype is developed the testing main features. The prototype focus on core functions such as speech recognition, converting voice commands into the text, processing user queries, and give voice-based videos, and at the stage simple testing and answering the voice or opening application can demonstrate. The prototype helps to identify technical challenges, gathering user feedbacks, refine the design before moving the full developed version. The phase ensure that the concept is practically in the prototype. Thank you.
Rohit. Testing. For testing a voice assistant project, you should prepare a wide range of sample comments that cover different areas such as greeting, information queries, task execution, navigation, smart home integration process. A assistant or hello correctly. Next, more to the information more to the information that belongs to the constraints with animals. Search queries such as the find me the nearest colleges, coffee shop, and a search from the Java tutorial on YouTube will text HTML API key integration. If your project supports smartphone features, can texting with the command. Turn on the lights, set on the temperature at 22 degree, and some more examples in that. Finally, error and edge case testing is incredible. So try nonsense inputs from the article, very from fast speech and overlapping inference, such as play music and tell me about the news. These views are testing inputs, even the assistant are evaluated from the accuracy in the next speech scenario, such as the greeting information, scoring, task execution, navigation, smart home integration, and error handling for the example. Thank you.
The conclusion for the voice assistant project, it will be summarizing the achievements such as successfully developing the technology and meeting its objectives, and it is positively impacting all the users by providing the hands-free access to all the information and services. It should be acknowledging the potential for the future improvements and advancements in AI. So it is also helpful in natural language understanding, personalization, and proactive assistant. So it is helpful in highlighting the project's contribution to evolving in the field of the voice assistant technology. That's it. Thank you.